해드릴지, 과연 여기서 뭔가 발표가 될지, 어떤 감사의 이야기가 있을지. 자, 여러분의 뜨거운 박수로 마이크본 시우님의 이야기를 청해 듣겠습니다. 박수 보내주세요.
안녕하세요. On behalf of all of us at Blizzard, we're very happy to be here today for a very special celebration. At the end of this week, will mark the 19th anniversary of the release of Starcraft. If Starcraft was a Korean baby in 1998, the baby would be considered 20 years old now. Starcraft has always enjoyed a very special relationship with Korea. We at Blizzard are very grateful for the way our game has been embraced here, and we're proud of the role that Starcraft has played in the establishment of esports as we know it today. That is something that could only have happened here in the mecca of esports. And we thank all of you for being part of it. We do have something to share with regards to Starcraft Later this week, we will be patching the game to version 1.18. This update will include new features and bug fixes, including unofficial observer mode, improved anti-cheat measures, better compatibility with modern operating systems, and more. I also want to take this opportunity to recognize the work of the engineers who helped create the Blue War community known as Fish. As many of you know, Fish has been the home to many of the most dedicated and competitive Blue War players. Starting with patch 118 and going forward, the Fish server and community will be supported as a gateway in StarCraft. And lastly, in patch 118, I'm very pleased to announce that this update created and download and play StarCraft for free following the 118 release later this week. Okay, now there is one more thing that I have to share with you today.
과연
We're as excited about Starcraft Remastered as we are. We know fans in Korea have